Oh! I almost did a double flip.
Jonah finished the other reindeer. This was the first one he made. He fixed the nose. It's a red nose now. It's so cute. He's gonna put a scarf on it. And is this one gonna have a nose?
No, I think that one looks better without nose.
Okay. It's really nice, y'all. We see these in little mountain stores. Reindeer this size, just like this almost, are like $50 and $60. How much did it cost you to make this one?
Nothing.
$0. Besides a little bit of glue you used for the legs,
Yeah,
right?
hold them on.
I love it. New trail today, y'all. We're taking y'all to Dukes Creek Falls.
If y'all wondering about that beef jerky we got last night.
They haven't seen that yet. Titus had to go on a little business adventure last night, and I went with him.
Yeah.
And we passed a Buc-ee's.
That beef jerky is good.
Yeah, we got the peppered Western. Wait, what is it? Peppered beef jerky bulk Western style.
Mm-hmm.
Really good. They had a lot of cute Christmas stuff too. What do you know of Buc-ee's?
Yeah.
Look, Buc-ee has on a Santa hat.
Smells good.
Oh, jerky, okay. Oh, look, they got ghost pepper.
That looks like it's pretty good to me. That's
Yeah,
dry.
that looks like a dry kind. Steakhouse.
We're gonna get some of that.
Yeah,
Look here. Like this right here. Yeah, Western style
Western
pepper.
style pepper, yeah.
That's what we're gonna get right there. We're gonna get some of that.
Buc-ee's Christmas blanket.
They keep cowboy stuff in.
Oh, yeah. They got Rudolph wormies. You heat these up in the microwave.
Really?
Yeah. And then they're warm for your kids to hold. Those are cute.
Right here's some elf.
Oh yeah, elf ones. I didn't see that. Oh look, they have a Buc-ee's Christmas hat. That's cute. And the mug. How much are the mugs? Only $9.99. They got a lot of Christmas jammies. Look, Christmas with the herd.
Yeah.
Sleep hoodie. It's a sleep hoodie.
You like it?
I already want to take a nap tomorrow.
Oh, now they got the Thanksgiving stuff.
Oh yes. Wax
Christmas.
warmers.
Yeah.
They have a Santa plug-in one
I
here.
got this one.
Oh, that's pretty.
Nativity.
Is it a warmer or is it just a light? Just a night light.
That's a light, I think.
That's really pretty though. How much is it?
That is
$19.98.
just $20.
Yeah.
Really. Here's a beard kit.
Mhm.
$11.99. It's got a comb, a little pair of scissors, and some beard oil.
Oh look, this is I'll be home for Coco.
Oh,
Look at these little baby jammies. Now that is adorable right there. We could all dress up like a Buc-ee elf right
there
here.
you go, folks.
How the Grinch
Lost
Christmas? A sequel to How the Grinch Stole Christmas? I never knew it existed. How the Grinch Lost? Did he get mad again? I bet this is all the mud pie stuff. It is so pretty, isn't it? How much is this reindeer?
What is that, baby? Like a little cheese thing?
Yeah,
Butter?
$23.99. Yeah, whatever you want to put on it. It's a deer, you know. Look at this tree. Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Like a little serving tray?
Yeah. Ooh, that one's $48. Woo. Like Manly. When he sees something like, he'll say, woo. How much is this little thing though? That's cute. $14.98.
That ain't bad.
$14.98?
That is not bad right there.
Yeah. I can't believe that's only $14.98. What about this fa la 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 one? How much is it?
How about this one here is going to be 30.
Yeah, it's a mud pie one. It's going to be more.
51. I'm sorry, folks. I was off on that.
Yeah, a little bit.
I will not be getting the prize behind door 1 or 2.
Now they have the spreaders just by themselves for $11.98. North Pole Cookie Company Baked Daily $5.98. That's cute.
Bad.
Oh So Merry pillow. How much is it?
This is it.
Oh, $29.98.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, Sweet Swap, a cookie. Oh, it's a little cookie
tray.
exchange thing. Yeah, $37.98.
$37.98.
And they got these. Oh, that's pretty. The little
Those are $13.98.
How'd you? Oh, you already saw it.
To
The Buc-ee truck. Yep. Stockings. Those are cute. Oh, look at the measuring spoons. Like a Santa
That's
hat.
all right.
What is this? Oh, the hat comes off and it's salt and the head's pepper. 20.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so jolly. It's 37, but it comes with that tree and the little reindeer spreader. That one's just off of that one. Oh, that's pretty. $30.99. Reindeer treats and cookies for Santa. That truck lights up. That's pretty.
We got a lot of Christmas stuff here.
Yeah. Really pretty stuff too. Look at this little thing. It lights up. That's cute. Those two. Oh, here's the gingerbread section, Daddy.
Yeah.
That's pretty, yeah. It's more mud pie stuff. You can find the mud pie stuff on a cheaper deal a lot of times at like Bell's Outlet and stuff. Look at that gingerbread man that lights up. Snowman marshmallow sticks. We can make these. Pulled pork sandwich, 3 meat, turkey deli. They have a chicken fajita taco, chicken burrito. I think we tried that Texas cheesesteak burrito.
It's good.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy. I'd like to get some of this Western style pepper right here, maybe a half a pound. Yes, sir.
Over here we have key lime pie cups, chocolate pie cup. They got some cheese cups here with salami. Is that salami? Oh, sausage. And they have salads over here. There's a grilled chicken salad. Got brisket.
Yep.
And we got a little vegetable cup thing.
Yes, we do.
We also got some of that Western peppered jerky. And that's it, right?
I'm really interested in this brisket. I love brisket. That's really good. Yeah.
Look, you see that mountain right over there?
Yeah.
That peak right there?
Uh-huh.
That's the one we climbed.
Oh.
Yeah, you do the little one. There you go. The observation deck is 1 mile. The falls is 1.1. Manly found a picnic table.
That's not for beef jerky.
Just a little over 2 miles.
Yeah. Look at that tree.
It's a nice day too. It's just
yeah.
Temperature is just right.
It is.
One of my buddies out in Texas, whenever I first moved out there, of course I was out there for a lot of years hauling cattle and stuff, but when I first moved out there, he told me, always, do not care how the weather starts out. He said, always have you a jacket. Where we lived was in the Panhandle, and the weather changed like
Suddenly. Yeah.
Suddenly.
One day, I think it was like in the 70s, maybe close to 80, and the next day, it was snowing. Do you remember that?
It happens like that.
So we're doing this bridge here now. These pine needles are slippy. I think oh yeah, I hear the water. Is that the one we're going to? I see a waterfall over there. Okay.
No more wood.
Yep, now we have a dirt path.
If anybody's wondering, I know a lot of people see us out and about quite a bit in these woods and hiking and doing different things like that. I want everybody to know and understand that we're in bear territory here. I mean, we have a lot, so just keep that in mind.
You could definitely run up on a bear.
I mean, you know, just common sense tells
Right.
you. I mean, most of the time the one that's always saying, oh, that won't happen, it might. It's always best to be prepared than to get in a situation with your family and not be prepared.
Yeah, so far this is a good trail.
Depending on what time of year it is, you can either bring water or you can bring
Hot chocolate.
This is water today.
Right.
But you can bring hot chocolate.
Yes.
It's easy. Roll down. I'm a Christmas elf.
Oh yes. Look, you can see the waterfall good from here. Okay.
Are we tired?
That's a good
He
spot.
mainly said, "What are we tired? We're gonna do
tired. We're just gonna sit down and take a little beef jerky break. we're definitely getting closer to Turkey Day.
Oh yeah.
Now, do y'all like to bake your turkey? Of course, that's what we do mostly every year.
Roast it, yeah.
Now, Fallon has ventured off and smoked one. I was taking a nap one day, and all of a sudden I woke up and she smoked a turkey.
Yeah, it was just a turkey breast. He got it from Aldi, y'all remember, and thawed it out in the refrigerator for a couple of days, and I was like, somebody's got to cook this.
Nap.
We've got another birthday today, y'all. Can anybody guess whose? You guessed it, Mr. T. Tyler wanted a chocolate tart cake, and I tried to think of a way I could make this into a cake because he wanted it to be, he didn't want it to be actual cake. I asked him if he wanted the cake that I made the day after Christmas last year, that we now call the day after Christmas cake, because it has the same kind of chocolate on it, but he didn't want it like that. He wanted it just to be like the chocolate hand pies that we make. So I've decided we're just gonna make up a bunch of them, and we will stack them in some sort of cakey way. We got one more to make, and we'll have 16 total. I'm about to attempt something that I've never done before. So I had these in some apple juice. Now we're gonna put, I saw a guy do this, so nobody fear, I saw somebody else do this. Mayo goes on it. He said you can't taste it. So weird. Now we're gonna add one of our favorites, touch of cherry on here. We have some smoke coming out of there. We're watching the temperature. I just want it to stay around 275. Should I go ahead and put them on, you think?
Yep. Can we cook a banana? They smell so good.
He still hasn't noticed that anything was cooking in the smoker. My temperature is dropping, so I'm coming out here to check it. It's been 2 hours, so we're gonna see what we're looking. Oh, it looks pretty good, doesn't it, Jonah? They shrunk.
Dripping.
Yeah, and they shrunk down a lot, but I mean, I don't know if they're done, but the smell, right? The smell is great. It's done, y'all. Look at me smoking some turkey up in here. Okay, hold that, Jonah. There we go, y'all. Some smoked turkey.
Oh my goodness, that smells so good. I'll give it a 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5.
Can you taste the mayonnaise?
No. The bottom was a little bit burnt. Crisp.
Crispy.
The points go up to 5. Tell us what you give it out of 5. 5 stars. Me.
Why don't they go to 10?
Oh, because 5 out of 5 sounds better.
Then 10 out of 10? So 5 or 10?
5.
6.
What you do, smoke a turkey? How do you like cooking your turkey? Some people like to deep fry them. Some people like to smoke them. But
I've heard deep fried is the best.
Yeah, and we probably need to try something different. But we'll probably more than likely just go with the traditional, putting it in the oven, kind of deal. But we will try something else. That one she smoked was good.
We need to test smoking the whole one because you definitely don't want to wait till day of.
No, do not.
And mess up your turkey.
Yikes! Don't do that, folks.